Hello everyone, and thanks for watching Edupedia World Videos. In this video, we'll discuss solutions to Part C, that is Mathematics, for the 2016 JEE Mains paper. We will be following the test booklet code E. For 63, we are given x squared minus 5x plus 5 times x squared plus 4x minus 40 is equal to 1, and we need the sum of all real values of x. So it's actually quite easy to solve questions like these. This is 60, I'm sorry. When you have two numbers a and b and a to the power of b is 1, there are only a few possibilities. So if a to the power b is 1, it means either b is equal to 0, or a is equal to 1, or because anything to the power of 0 is 1 and 1 to the power of any number is 1, or there's a third possibility, a is equal to minus 1 and b is even. Right, this is also an important case. If a is minus 1 and b is odd, we are talking about integers a and b, right? So a and b both are integers. If a is minus 1 and b is odd, minus 1 to the power of an odd number will be minus 1, but if a is minus 1 and b is even, both these statements need to be true, then also a to the power b will be 1. So we can just solve for all these three cases. The first one, b is equal to 0, gives me x squared plus 4x minus 60 is equal to 0, which is x squared plus 10x minus 6x minus 60 is 0, which means x plus 10 multiplied by x minus 6 is equal to 0. So x is equal to minus 10 or 6. We get two possible real values. And then a is equal to minus 1. A is equal to 1 first. A is equal to 1 gives me x squared minus 5x plus 5 is equal to 1, which gives me x squared minus 5x plus 4 is equal to 0, which is x minus 1 times x minus 4 is equal to 0, which means x is either 1 or 4, and these are also possible values. Finally, a is equal to minus 1 gives me x squared plus 5x plus 5 is equal to minus 1, x squared minus 5x plus 5, which gives me x squared minus 5x plus 6 is equal to 0, or x minus 3 times x minus 2 is equal to 0, x is equal to 3 or 2. But there's a second condition here, b has to be even. That means x squared plus 4x minus 60 has to be even. And if you put in the values of 3 and 2, x is equal to 2 will give me an even value, but x is equal to 3 will give me an odd value, because this is odd and these two are even. So x is equal to 3 is not a possible solution, because in this case it would be minus 1 to the power of an odd number, which is minus 1. So the solutions are minus 10, 6, 1, 4 and 2, which gives me the sum of them as 3. So the answer is option 1, which is 3. This completes the solutions. Thank you.